My name's Harley Bryan. I'm the electrical assembly production manager. Everything comes together in this department. Everything from an extension cord to an explosion-proof heater, explosion-proof lighting, solar towers, power distributions, that all comes together over here. When we're building a product that has to be in a class-rated environment, basically you're looking at what the combustion point is for whatever material may or may not be in the air. How combustible is it, and how likely it is that it's going to be encountered on the site. All right, so this is Josh. He's putting together one of our explosion-proof switches, switch cover, and also on the box. We're going to look at it, make sure there's no nicks or scratches or anything. This needs to be a smooth, flat surface to mate up against that. We wire it up so we can QC it and test it and make sure everything's working correctly. Because if there is a malfunction in the switch itself and it sparks, this is going to slow the ignition down. So by the time it makes it out of the enclosure, it's cool enough it won't ignite anything. So you're basically isolating the spark from your environment. Make sure it's all nice and smooth so we get a flat mating surface. Yeah, so once we're done building it and we test it ourselves, we do our own little QC process here. You can see he's going to put power to one end and test the other end with his beater to make sure that there's power going in and out of the switch and it can turn off and on. Once he's done and he's satisfied that it's built proper and safe and everything, he's going to take it to QC. A lot of the explosion-proof stuff we build is going to end up in a hazardous location. Put it all together, we test it, make sure everything's working right, make sure it's safe, it's functioning properly, and then from there it goes over to QC.
Our explosion-proof products are American-made and manufactured right here at Larson Electronics. Curious about our process? Join us for a tour. Give us a call.